Well, thanks for visiting us here at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Morses with your Thursday morning forecast update. I have some great news about the weather today. Pretty good news as we head into the weekend, followed by some not so great news as far as the weather for next week. So for today, I think everybody will be relieved to finally shake the cloud cover and see a little sunshine return today. It's going to feel great out there. Kind of cool this morning, but by noon today, most of us close to 70 degrees or so, and later this afternoon we should have highs comfortably wind up in the mid-70s, and humidity will stay away from us today as well as tomorrow. So it's just some really nice weather to close out the week here. We do have some lingering clouds this morning, so it may take a little while for the sunshine to fully break through here, but with the dry air coming in behind the storms that moved through earlier this week, we should eventually see the sun return. And again, temperatures running in the 50s for most locations this morning, and later this afternoon we'll have a light northeast breeze with the sun out there. It's going to feel warmer, and the temperatures will definitely respond to the sun, as we should have highs today winding up in the mid-70s in most locations. So look at your Robin's Total Futurecast. It does show the cloud cover lingering in some areas, especially in Texas and Louisiana, through about 10 o'clock this morning, but you see the sunshine fully kind of breaking through this afternoon. So I've gone just kind of partly cloudy with the forecast today. No worries about Friday, as we'll continue to see just really enjoyable weather tomorrow as well, as we should be a touch warmer, maybe close to 80 degrees or so. And with that dry air still in place tonight, probably the coldest night of the week. We'll have quite a few locations into the 40s tonight, but as I mentioned, close to 80 degrees on your Friday. Weekend looks okay. I think we'll be dry on Saturday, Sunday. First half of the day will be dry. Still have a little bit of rain in the forecast, and this will be likely later on Sunday. So maybe by Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, we start to see a little bit of rain pop up. It's not great news for next week. We do have a number of systems on the way. The first of those will likely affect us Monday into early Tuesday. So we do have some widespread rain in the forecast Monday. Some scattered showers Tuesday, and you can see as we move into Wednesday, we have yet another system on the way here, and it looks like we will have some rain to follow this Thursday into Friday. So all 5 days this week or next week we'll have pretty decent chance of seeing some rain. Of course, this week we saw a lot of 6 to 10 inch rainfall totals. Not looking great for next week, as we could see some locations maybe pick up in excess of 6 inches of rain. Again, pretty widespread heavy rain totals. So what this is going to do with the heavy rain this week, we really don't have a lot of wiggle room as far as flash flooding. So I would expect, if this verifies, or if this forecast kind of comes to fruition here, we'll have a lot of flooded roads next week, and the lakes and rivers already running very high. Some of those in flood stage as of today are probably going to run higher. So if you know you live in one of those flood prone areas on the lakes and rivers, now's the time to start preparing, because it looks like we will definitely see some heavy rain this week, which will send probably more of our lakes and rivers into flood stage at some point, potentially middle and later portions of next week. And again, losing the wiggle room here to kind of hold all the rainfall, which is in that forecast for much of next week. So enjoy the next few days. We'll have great weather probably through Sunday afternoon, and after that we'll see that rain set up, and the rain potentially around all of next week, and maybe even into next weekend as well.